going on, y'all? This your boy Chevy 254, man, and you tuned in for another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Make sure you click that bell icon so you get all the notifications. And of course, make sure you subscribe too. First subscribe, then click the bell icon. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my
254, and you know what it is. In these trenches, in these streets, Box Chevy King of Central motherfucking Texas, bringing you every box Chevy to hit the yard in my area. Let's go. You gotta do it.
Y'all see? Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, real to real. Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if y'all don't know me, this is my name. Yeah, it's RELLTOREAL. Make sure y'all come check me out, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell and be notified every time I post a video. And then make sure you subscribe to this channel while you watching it right now, cause you ain't got nothing else better to do with your time right now. You know, like Mike F saying, hey, I ain't got nothing to do with my time right now, but he said he did have something to do. So hey, you got something to do now. Hit that subscribe button and go ahead. Join his notification gang too, you know what I'm saying?
Already, man. So as you can see behind us, got 1984, I believe, 1984 box Chevy. Just hit the yard. Looking good. I'll show you what we got. Start to walk around from the back. I apologize for the wind and stuff. It's cold. It's like 40-something degrees out here. So, sorry. So as you can see in the trunk, that is all the way rusted out. Like, got some good hinges in here. I don't know how good or how bad it is. Got a rear clip. Look to be in pretty good condition. But it's cold as shit out here. Trunk emblem look to be pretty decent. Only thing about these is you gotta drill out them rivets. Look to be in a decent condition. It seems like every time I don't bring some shit, I'll be like, nah, I wouldn't need no drill. And then I come out here and then I find some shit that I definitely could have used a drill for that shit. Drill that out, to the ass. Let's see. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of rust back here. It's not pretty at all. Not pretty at all. There's a lot of rust here on the sides. I don't know what happened. But yeah, this bad boy is in pretty bad shape. Whew. Feel a whole lot warmer in here. So as you can see, the seats look to be in good, like the interior looking in damn good condition. Headliner like immaculate. I'm saying, little headlight piece up there in good condition. I'm saying front seats ain't too bad. But we got some kind of CD player up there. Let's see what else. That steering wheel don't look to be in too bad a condition. Check that out. If you're looking for the OG look, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now so y'all don't get to ask me in the comments. This vehicle This vehicle right here is located at Budget Rental Point, Belton, Texas. So just save yourself the trouble, watch the whole video, and you'll see that I told you where you can find this car. Got like the original radio joint off in there. If that's your forte, if that's your thing. This crazy looking CD player, I ain't never heard of this brand. XD Vision. Look like it got Bluetooth in it. Let's see what else. Ashtray, look pretty good condition. Dash look good. Steering column feel pretty good. Got the keys to it. Don't be surprised, I might take the key and come back for the steering column. I'm just letting y'all know straight up. Keeping it a buck. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't want to send y'all on no wolf chase. You know what I mean? So the story behind this one, as far as I can see, it just looks like what's the name? Lights down here don't look too bad. See, that was cracked. Alright, took the headlights off. Grill don't look too bad. That's specific to that year though, 84. So it looks like this one got tagged up. Got tagged up here recently, city of Killeen. It'd be impounded if not removed in 48 hours. They didn't move it, so they got him. Window trim around the back window look to be in good condition. Like I said, that steering wheel look pretty good. Pretty damn good. Got the trim around the front window. Look damn good. Nice and shiny. I know I got a couple of sets, so I probably don't need another set, but you know me. You know me, dog. Front emblem here. I mean, overall, it's not. There's some stuff on here people probably use, etc., etc. Keep it a G with you. It's hot as hell out here. Well, it's cold. I'm not gonna be taking no orders for no junkyard shit at this time. You know what I'm saying? Not at this time. Yeah, man. Another one bites the dust, man. Come get what you need off of it. I heard checking out that thing. We ran across this Buick Regal. I believe it's the same platform. If not, it's very, very, very similar to the Regal. So, as you know, one of the seats in the Regal driver's seat got a being that these seats was already pulled for me, I mean, they don't look bad. I mean, they don't match the car, but they don't look bad. So, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that driver's seat, and then I'm gonna see if I can't make it fit in the Rivy. See if it'll fit lengthwise, or I mean widthwise. I mean, like I said, I mean, it looks very, very, very similar. Very similar to your boy. So the battery might be on opposite side, a couple other things may be different, but I think those seats will be, as far as the width of the car, I think we can probably make that seat work. And then throw a seat cover on it if we don't care about color matching or whatever like that. So we're gonna see. I don't know what these little screws go to. Let me see. Might go to this little hold down bar right here. That's what it look like. So I think I'm missing one of them. So this one's coming with me. Coming with me. So let me get this seat, man. Get the hell up out of here. I'm supposed to be resting. I just had to, man. Y'all know what it is. Hustle don't stop. Grind don't stop. Like I said, it's 1992. Yeah, 1992. Our Buick is a 1991. So I'm pretty sure we should be pretty close. Pretty damn close. If not, then, you know, like I said, I might have to fab something up and then just make it fit. Or whatever. So, we shall see. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.